is HF, right? So there's different frequency bands. And there's also one that is a P25, which is a civilian band, like Mercy, Response, Firefighters, Police. Their frequency bands. So edit that later. So this little box right here allows me to crossband on those different frequency waves. I lost my tape. And so it's pretty unique. It's only the Guard that's got them, right? They have Blue Force tracker as well. So, but it's only in the up armors because we only have so many. That's the special thing about them.